The National Weather Service of Juneau has issued a severe weather warning on the northern parts of Alaska. Residents are urged to not travel north of the following areas: Selawik, Alikaketa or Fort Yukon. If a resident does not heed, serious consequences may befall them, such as irreversible injury or death. Residents who are near the northern frontier are advised to move south of Alaska immediately. Those who cannot must stay indoors, lock any entrances and windows, and wish for the best.